The Keypad Smart Lock KN-001 offers a versatile keyless entry system with multiple unlocking methods, including a fingerprint scanner and a 10-digit touchscreen keypad, ensuring convenience and high security. With its intuitive app control, you can easily manage fingerprints, monitor access records, and even share temporary passwords with family members or guests within Bluetooth range. The smart connectivity feature allows you to keep track of the lock's activity, providing peace of mind by letting you know exactly who enters and exits your home at any time. Designed for easy installation, this lock fits most standard doors and can be set up without professional help, making it ideal for residential, apartment, or office use. The smart locking function automatically locks the door within approximately 5 seconds after unlocking, reducing the need for manual operation and enhancing security. In channel mode, the lock can remain unlocked, offering flexibility for users who require frequent access without compromising on safety.